Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Lady here, and I'm back again with another video. I know I've been missing for a minute, but I'm back. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now. I recorded this video about 4 months ago. I never put the video out, and it's just sitting in my phone, so I feel like why not just go ahead and put it out there anyway. I didn't have any problems with the wig. It was a really good synthetic wig, of course. I had no problems with it, no shedding or anything. I liked the wig. The color was a plus. It is a 13 by 3. The length of the wig is 26 inches. And yeah, guys, so if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave it in the link below. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I'll never be sober, I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high, and now it's over. I'll never be sober, I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. now I'm so high. But now I'm so high. But now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, now, girl, give it one night. You just give it a chance. Loving you is this my plan. No one day will see all the things that